The Motorola Edge 60 Ultra, expected to launch in August 2025, is shaping up to be a powerful flagship smartphone loaded with cutting-edge features. It will feature a large 6.82-inch AMOLED display with a sharp 1200 by 2780 pixel resolution and an ultra-smooth 165Hz refresh rate, all protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Powering the device will be Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, formerly expected to be called the Gen 4, paired with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, promising top-tier performance across multitasking, gaming, and productivity. The camera setup is just as impressive, boasting a 200MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens, while the front camera comes in at a high-resolution 60MP. The Edge 60 Ultra will be backed by a 4,600 mAh battery with blazing fast 150W wired charging support. Running on Android 15, this device is positioned to offer a premium experience in both hardware and software, with a launch price expected around 69,990 Indian rupees in India.